24 years ago, I said yes to a life of caregiving. Just think of it like damaged electrical wiring signals don't travel properly. Yeah, I am doing deeply meaningful work caring for someone with multiple sclerosis. MS can be challenging, but understanding it will help you care with more confidence and compassion. Care with Love by Jem. The 24 years, that level of dedication is real and powerful, right? What I'm doing is not just caregiving, it's a life of mission. Caregiving is not easy, but it is full of love. Follow my journey, subscribe my channel. I share real life caregiving every day. In this vlog, I share my daily routine, caregiving tips, and real life experience to help and inspire other caregivers around the world. You are not alone in this journey. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell button so that you are updated. This is my life caring for a bed confined patient with multiple sclerosis. This is my purpose. Keep safe, and may God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you again.